Hola chico bellos, chica bellas. Don't be fools, don't follow makeup rules. Welcome back in Advise My Style, where I'll be actually talking why and especially when, for which purpose, wearing makeup is bad. And it's funny because I'm a makeup artist and I did more than 130 makeup tutorials, so it's actually a paradox. But listen to me before you start disliking the video. Just listen to me because I have 3 points to mention. You are deceived because of a completely logical, mathematical thing. Look how small my face is. Doesn't matter. You look at me on your mobile, on your TV. There's always a distance between you and your screen. So basically, my face can be that small or can be that small. You know, when you're looking at me. Which means that in real life, if me and you would be talking, the face that you see now would be on a 5 or 10 meter distance. So if I cake up shitloads of makeup on my face, it would look perfect. It would look perfect because we are on such a big distance. But if I would want to show you my face in, you know, original aspect ratio, I would look like this. It still depends on what kind of a screen you're looking at me, but this would be quite a normal distance between us, so you would see all of my wrinkles, all of my spots, all of my pores, especially if I turn myself on the angle, if the light doesn't fall from the front, because when I turn like this and the light is from the upper part, like the sunlight, all these imperfections here you would see how many scars I actually have from acne on my face. And it doesn't matter how much foundation I put on my face, if I have acne, I will look horrendous. If I'm older and I put a lot of foundation on these wrinkles, I will look horrible. This is why when YouTubers put a lot of foundation on their faces and you guys go like, oh my god, you look so amazing, you look flawless. This is why they are building unrealistic expectations. Second reason when wearing makeup is completely wrong is when you try to transform your face. And I'm guilty as well. I did a lot of makeup videos on how to contour your face, how to make your eyes look bigger, but I get by far the most views from these makeup tutorials, and therefore I'm also doing them in a way that it's very natural. And the video that got 150,000 views where I contour a face has so many dislikes, not because the video would be bad, but because girls go like, I don't even see the contour. And I'm like, well, of course you don't see, because I just a bit accentuated what's good on her face and I a bit hit her flaws. It's not so obvious that you would do this Kim Kardashian crazy contouring. And this is why wearing shitloads of makeup is completely wrong, why it messes up with your head. Because imagine that each day you go in front of your mirror and start applying makeup in a way that you completely cover your flaws. Not cover, but like deform your face. So you want to contour your face that your forehead wouldn't look big. Each day, you will think about how big your forehead is and you will try to cover it. Then imagine that each morning you arrive in front of your mirror and try to cover acne. First of all, you will have more and more acne. It doesn't matter which makeup you apply, but that's another story. Imagine each morning you will think each spot you will see, each pimple that grew during the night, you will notice, and you will be more and more and more and more and more depressed and more self-aware. So it's horrible. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial where I would, you know, show you how to contour the nose, how to make the nose longer or slimmer or whatever. But I actually don't want to do it, because I think that you will use it the wrong way. You will mess up your head with all this contouring and transformations and things. And ask whichever really good makeup artist how to cover a lot of spots. Whether to use Studio FX from MAC, whether to use Double Wear from Estee Lauder, Liquid Rich from Ila Masqua. They're all incredible foundations. But if you put it on a skin with a lot of acne, you will look horrendous. You will look horrendous. If you put it on old skin, Studio FX, MAC, oh my god. Try to put that on a 50-year-old. Look at this photo, look at this photo. This is hilarious. This is from a girl, which I used for my video tutorial, where you commented how flawless her skin looks. I'm so sorry because I can't say which video is it because she doesn't let me, but this is how her skin looks like from a very close angle. This is how you would see her skin with a lot of foundation on when you would be talking one-on-one in real life. The third reason why when wearing makeup is wrong is when you girls say I want to express myself artistically. This is just hilarious. There are so many makeup battles, wars between guys and girls on YouTube, whereas guys are saying why are you wearing this kind of clown makeup, and girls are saying why do you even care, we do it to express ourselves artistically or to make ourselves feel more pretty. Girls are saying we're expressing ourselves artistically, but they wear the same makeup each day. Each day they go out, do these 3D shaped Instagram eyebrows and amazing lips or whatever, but each day they wear the same makeup. There is nothing artistic about caking up shitloads of makeup every day the same. Also, if you use the same technique and just change colors, there's nothing artistic about it, because you're just repeating certain technique. You're just like a manual worker, no artist. And most of the girls on YouTube called beauty gurus do the same thing over and over and over and over again. I find it just hilarious, and everyone's like, oh my god, you are an amazing makeup artist. Whereas they do the same makeup all the time. If you think that you are expressing yourself artistically with applying so much makeup on your face, check this girl's channel. Her name is Regina. She really helped me so much with my makeup channel, and she is incredible. This girl is absolutely amazing when it comes to creativity, because she transforms her face in 1,000 different ways, even though her face is not that easy to transform, to make different, because she has dark features. It's not like she will have a pale skin. So check her out, because this girl is incredible. Go on her channel, subscribe, tell her that I sent her kisses and I wish her all the best. And tell me what you think about this video, because from my point of view, if you can't go out without any makeup, if you always need to put at least mascara when you go to the store, I think you have a bit of a self-confidence issues. Now don't hate me, because I like you anyway. Tell me what you think. Go check Regina's channel, link is in a card, so click that eye icon there and have fun. See you soon, take care. Ciao, ciao, ciao.